And now technology in agriculture is light years ahead of horses and plows. Haley Bickelhop and Cesar Sanchez show us a new, unique type of equipment that's making its way to fields in the Midwest.
Weeds can be annoying.
You can get a better view of it.
And for a farmer, they can be destructive.
The guy said he needed a solution with weeding that didn't disturb the soil and didn't harm the crop.
That dilemma leading Carbon Robotics and employees like John to a creative solution.
And then back here is where we actually output the lasers.
It's a strategy Brett Goodwin with the company knows seems straight from a sci-fi movie.
This essentially is a supercomputer. Every single one of these modules has NVIDIA processors and a ton of compute power. So we're able to identify and shoot up to 10,000 weeds per minute.
About 10 days after planting crops, farmers run the laser weeder over the fields twice.
So what happens is the plants grow and now they leaf out and they shade out the sun, and so the weeds don't grow.
The machine's heavy and needs the lift capacity of a John Deere 8R series tractor.
This unit costs $1.6 million.
Because they require a lot of labor, the equipment started with crops like carrots and broccoli. But now, it's making its way to the Midwest.
So unlike conventional corn where you can use spray, organic corn and soy don't have a good option. So laser weeding enables them to keep a perfectly clean, weed-free seed line.
Well, I may be sitting here in the cab of the tractor, but this white machine on top makes it run without a driver. Now it uses a dozen cameras and it uses radar technology and works for both the laser weeder and tillage equipment.
We control everything, so the farmer just sets up a geofence, like where is the field. Then they get it to the field and the software will drive the entire field by itself and just weed 24/7.
An advancement that goes beyond just stopping those growing grievances.
I think if we look at the future of farming, we're going to see just more and more automation and more autonomy, and the ability to kind of stop the rising and variable input costs. So now we have a predictable cost for maintaining weed control.
Indicator.
So all you see is a little ember, like a little fire burn.
Haley Bickelhop, WQAD News 8.
Carbon Robotics has laser weeders in 14 countries, weeding more than 100 different crops. Now this year they had the machines running on organic corn and soybean trials in Pontiac, Illinois.